crazy signs. Oh, the Glico guy, a mini Glico. Look at this. What's going on? There's our next location. The next tower we will be soon ascending. Yeah, this tower has a slide. Here it is, the live view. He's about to go. They just sent him. About 5 seconds. Well, before we get to the observation thing, it wouldn't be right if there wasn't the endless gacha. Oh my goodness, that is vicious. Hey, it's Tsutenkaku Tower. My first ever sunset at a tower.
Did you have to pay?
Yeah. $3.
Damn.
Oh, they got me. I don't know. I'm gonna have to hit the ATM again. And we are heading up to the very final floor where you can, actually reach your arm out there. Wow. Alright, bro, I'm going.
Do you want me to record it?
Yeah, it's going.
Do you want to just keep this one rolling? Yeah. Alright.
No, dude. Oops. Alright. You're up.
No. You hit 130.
Well,
you're 10 decibels higher than an airplane. And these go up in multiples of 10, by the way. So it's not just like plus 10. It's like times 10.
that dude backed up. He backed up because he got nervous.
Bro, the people below us probably thought someone died.
Don't you love having your favorite wife who blocked the view of the city? The MILF section behind the tower. Dude, they got a disco ball and oh yeah, it's popping in here. Are they free? Oh no, they're paid ones. That's criminal. 53. He really switched up. The jump from 53 to 66, that's a different guy.
Or even 22 to 28.
Oh, and this is what, I guess, the area around here used to look like back in the day. Dude, a full hockey suit. Wow. Oh, can you stop it on 11? On 11.11. We're not even gonna try. That was so close. Oh man, more Glico. But this place is like unexpectedly got a bunch of different things. I'm gonna ignore some of that. That was crazy.
Thank you. Right now.
Let's go.
Right down. Close your heart.
Let's go.
Food review. That was a feed. When you've walked around one day, you're hungry. This spot was absolutely golden. Unlimited rice refills, 4 bowls down. Max, like jumbo sized bowls. Double beef. The beef is really tender as well. That was a beautiful meal. Because of the situation, 9 out of 10. Like, I thoroughly enjoyed that. And if I'm ever like late night hungry, I would come here because this spot's a good spot. And the drinks were cheap. They're only 300 yen a drink. Just finished dinner at this amazing gyukatsu place. As soon as you open the door, boom, just second floor fully burned out. And it's right next to an all-day breakfast place and then a really nice hotel. This street is crazy. I'm heading back to my favorite store, Don Quixote. Bought nothing at the donkey. Shocker. Now we're heading home.